Good afternoon. This is Matthew here with Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Doing a video on this TSB on this 2500 HD Chevrolet with the 6.0 liter engine. And the problem today is the knock sensors. Wish I had a better camera to show y'all here. But these knock sensors right here, bank 1 and bank 2, one sits in the front, one sits in the rear of the engine. You want to call them that. Front and rear are bank 1 and bank 2. What we're getting at is that the bank 2, what I'm gonna call here in the back, the TSB says builder's dam up here around. And the reason why they say build a dam, because water goes back there and runs down there in the well, saturated. And it also says remove this here from the bottom of the intake. We're gonna follow their guidelines. And then it also says replace the wiring harness right here for the knock sensor. And the knock sensors. This is not gonna be a chop and screw video. Just want y'all to see what they say do. And if you don't do it, the check engine light's gonna come back on. Check engine light came back on this particular vehicle. So we're gonna do it this time by the guidelines, which should have been done the first time, but you know, was not aware of the guidelines the first time either. So, but now we're aware of them. Make sure you look up those TSBs when you're doing particular vehicles, especially when you got to take off the intake to get to the knock sensors. Make sure you're paying particular attention to trouble codes that deal with check engine lights. It's been a nuisance when they return. Make sure you do some research on them. This is Matthew, Sanders reporting live from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. If you need assistance, give us a call at 919-539-7265. Thank y'all. Have a nice day. See you later.